Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to examine Tools feature number 3, Review Suggested Edits, for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. To see all aspects of this feature, there have to be suggested edits within the Google Doc. If you need a refresher on suggesting within a Google Doc, please review the other tutorials on my website. When I click on Tools and click on Review Suggested Edits, the menu to the right appears. When I click on Show Suggested Edits, the following options appear. If I click on Preview Accept All, I can see what it would look like if I accepted all of the suggested edits within the Google Doc. I can also preview what it would look like if I rejected all of the suggested edits. To exit this view, I simply have to click on the drop-down menu and select Show Suggested Edits. I can now choose to reject all the edits or accept all of them. After clicking Accept all of the edits, the menu disappears and the suggested edits are now part of the Google Doc. When I click on Tools and click on Review Suggested Edits again, there are no further suggested edits. This tool can be very useful when collaborating on a Google Doc. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.